Hello, today we are going to solve one problem based on Markov chain. So let's see what is in this question. Consider a Markov chain having state space 1, 2, 3 and 4 and transition probability matrix P is equals to Pij. Now we are given a transition probability matrix uh, which is nothing but half, 0, half, 0, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. In the third row we have 1/3, 0, 1/3 and 1/3, and the last row we have half, 0, half and again 0. Okay, now we have to find the limit n tends to infinity p2 to n and sum over n equals to 0 to infinity p2 to n. So first of all we need to find p to the power n where n is greater than equals to 2. So first of all for n equals to 2 we evaluate p square. Okay, to multiply the matrix we use Excel. So this is our required matrix. Here we write the fractions in decimal numbers. So this is the first matrix and this is the repetition of the previous matrix. Now using the function mmult we multiply these two matrices. So equals to mmult mult. So first of all we select the first matrix and then we select the second matrix. Here the both matrices are same because we are just evaluating the square of a matrix. Now this is the first first term after multiplication. Now we have to select corresponding rows and columns. Now press F2. Now click Ctrl Shift Enter, so we get our required multiplication. So as we can see this is our value for P22 to the power 2, that is 0.0625, which is nothing but 1 by 16. Okay, so here we get P22 to the power 2 is 1 by 16, or we can write 1 by 4 square. So if we generalize this, for p to the power n we get p2 to n is equals to 1 by 4 to the power n. Okay, now limit n tends to infinity p2 to n is equals to limit n tends to infinity 1 by 4 to the power n, which is nothing but 0, and sum over 0 to infinity p2 to n is equals to sum over 0 to infinity 1 by 4 to the power n. So this is nothing but a infinite GP series, and this reduces to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 square plus dot dot dot. So we get 1 by 1 minus 4, and this is 4 by 3, which is less than infinity. Therefore option 2 is the correct answer. So we have solved this problem. I again repeat from start. First of all, we have a transition probability matrix. Now for nth step transition probability matrix, we need to multiply the first step or the 0th step transition probability matrix. So to multiply uh, the transition probability matrix for n equals to 2, uh, we use Excel, and here we get our required result. Now we just need to find the the probability for I equals to 2 and j equals to 2 for n equals to 2, and this is nothing but 0.0625, and 0.0625 is 1 by 16, or we can write 1 by 4 square. So generalizing this formula, we get p22 to the power n is equals to 1 by 4 to the power n. Now limit n tends to infinity, 1 by 4 to the power n is 0, and sum over 1 by 4 to the power n for n equals to 0 to infinity is 4 by 3, which is a finite number, therefore less than infinity. Okay, so option 2 is our right answer. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.